And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Jamaica's reigning Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah is among 10 nominees for the World Athletics Female Athlete of the Year award. Here's Jermaine Brown.
Thompson-Herah has been nominated for the World Athletics Female Athlete of the Year award after going undefeated in 7 100-meter races, as well as running a world-leading 10.85 seconds over the event in 2020. 28-year-old Thompson, who has never won the award, is the only sprinter as well as Caribbean athlete on the list. The list is dominated by middle and long-distance runners, including 4 world record holders. Among them, Ethiopian's Litsebe Gide, who set a world record of 14 minutes 06.62 seconds over 5,000 meters, and Ababel Yeshane, who broke the world record in the half marathon with a time of 1 hour 04.31 seconds. Sifan Hassan of the Netherlands, who set a world record in the 1-hour run and also set a European record over 10,000 meters, the 4th fastest performance in history, also makes the list. Kenya's Perez Yepchirchir, who won the World Half Marathon title and twice broke the World Half Marathon record for a women-only race, has also been included, along with compatriots Faith Kipyegon, who ran a world-leading performances over 800 meters and 1,000 meters, and Helen Obiri, who went undefeated in 3 races over 3,000 meters and 5,000 meters and set a world-leading 8 minutes 22.54 seconds over 3,000 meters. Great Britain's Laura Muir, who went undefeated in 3 1,500-meter races and ran a world-leading 3 minutes 57.40 seconds for the event, and Dutch 400-meter hurdler Femke Bol, who was undefeated in 6 400-meter hurdles races and ran a world-leading 53.79 for the event, have also been nominated. The list is completed by Venezuelan triple jumper Ulma Rojas, who was undefeated in 4 triple jump competitions indoors and outdoors and broke the world indoor triple jump record with 15.43 meters. The list will be eventually narrowed down to 5 nominees. The male and female World Athletes of the Year will be announced live at the World Athletics Virtual Awards 2020 on Saturday, December 5. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.